We're looking at choreographic devices. It is the mechanisms of choreography, for creating a choreography. So it's a special opportunity for people to come and attend these workshops to look at how we use choreography and contemporary dance to model life, because movement at the end of the day is life, is the way we model life, the way we look at life. And participants to Movimento workshops will be able to learn more about this, learn how to appreciate contemporary dance more, but above all they will have a hands-on, active take at creating a choreography themselves, looking at different aspects of choreography.
So behind every dance work, there is a decision-making process which comes from the choreographers. Every decision which has been taken reflects obviously the ideas. And a lot of times we hear that contemporary dance is very hard to understand. And Movimento was born literally with this idea of creating a room for the spectators to become active. So the project is about getting 5 experts together, and through the different expertise, to the different background, they will look at one element that is found in nature and in history, as well as in dance. And through their helps, we will understand more about what we see in the theater.